In this video, I will show you how to update billing info on JetPrint. The first thing you need to do is open your browser. Go to the JetPrint website, and then log in using your account details. Make sure you're logging into the correct account so the changes apply properly. Once you're in, look over to the left side of the screen and click on Payment. Here, you will see your current card details. If you need to update it, you can either remove the old card or just click on Add Credit Card. Now, carefully type in your new card information. Double-check the card number, expiration date, and security code to make sure everything is correct. After that, check the box below to confirm, and then click Submit. And that's how to update billing info on JetPrint.